Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back. It's Temu time! And we have a very exciting thing in here. We've got washi tape and we've got something a little bit Christmassy in here. It's not diamond painting, but it feels super big. Got to be careful not to, it feels like it's like near enough under this, so I've got to be careful not to rip it and make a small... If it's a delicate one, I normally poke a hole in it and then just try and make an incision. And then once I see where I'm working with, I can get this open. They put so much bloody tape on this. I don't understand why they do this, because like when you hot seal a bag, you get a peel off strip. So I really don't know why they do this. It's quite frustrating. Can you see what it is, guys? Well, we're going to put it over to one side for a minute. So I've been on the hunt for washi tape. I didn't know Temu did washi tape, and oh my god, I've got loads of Christmassy ones, but the more Christmas paintings that come in, I've got to try and match it to washi tape that I think would look really nice. And in here we have a little washi tape. So we'll get that open, and as you can see in here, it's super cute. And look at that, nice big chunky roll like Italian options on Amazon. And it is snowflakes. So I thought that was really pretty, you know, that dark blue. I love blue, it's my favourite colour, and you've got some snowflakes on there. So I've got a painting that's of a white deer, which you would have already seen, and I'm thinking of swapping it to this one because it's like snowflakes and that dark blue background. So, and the deer's white, so I thought that was really good, so I got that. And then I got this. So if I can try and get it out of the bloody bag, because it's so bloody big. Try and get this out somehow. And I got this, which is a very interesting, massive robin. Now, the idea is that with this robin, you're supposed to... I'm just having a look on my system here. See if I can find it on the Temu app. Temu Christmas robin. I think it's a sticker, so I'll just check. Let me just have a look. So, robin sticker. See if it comes up. Yeah, I think it's this. It might be that, but there's another version. But basically, it's basically like a giant sticker for Christmas, and I thought that is absolutely gorgeous. So let's take a look at it and see what we got. Really happy with this. So as you can see you peel it off here, look, and it's that lovely transfer one. So I mean, obviously December's fast approaching, so I might have a little bit of time, but I definitely want to get another one, because you know, you could have that stuck off the wall. It's a shame that you ain't got one diamond painting, but you can peel that off, put it on the wall, and it's like a, you know, a Christmas decoration. As you can see, like if you've got a fireplace, it looks as if he's walking off the fireplace. So that's really good. It's a lovely big sticker, as you can see. You can peel that right the way off. It's basically see-through, but I thought that was really pretty, and I had to have that with the washi tape. So a nice quick little bite-sized Temu haul for you there. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of future uploads. If you want to get these products, I highly recommend the robin, because obviously, as you know, when a loved one's near, the robin appear. So that's pretty good. And a lot of people think that they're Christmassy animals, but they are around all year. They're just very sort of like, you never really see them very often, only in like the winter months. But a robin is a very special bird, and I know Crazy Borgies at Louise likes them. So yeah, really happy with my purchasing. Can't wait to try that tape out. It's nice and thick. Some people said that it's quite thin on Temu, but I've had no problems. I think it's great. But obviously I'll put the links in the description if you want to get these for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.